All right, here we are. Found it. It's kind of behind a school. It looks like it's a walking area that kind of goes all over the place. So that's the school here. I had to look on the on my lovely and talented Google. All right, there it's at. So I had to come up the street, cruise around. So here we go. This one I've passed under many times. It's kind of a bitch to get to, but looks like it's like a local, like, back and forth. Pretty big one. Garbage you can see. Kind of nice. Oh yeah. Beer cans. Past Blue Ribbon. 610 out here. It's out here in Brooklyn Park. Friendly, friendly, whatever, but it's like the last of them. I'm gonna probably, there's maybe a one in Bloomington. It's kind of cool. There is one out in Royalton off of Highway 10, someday Sioux Line, one of these days, but it's kind of a nice one. Big, you can tell. Nice to get them all done in one day. Got off early at the airport. Hang on. So, what the hell? But I don't know what school that is, but I had to fall around. I'm like, all right. But it's kind of, you know, maybe some hot chocolate when I go home. It's kind of nice. It's not, I mean, I don't mind cold weather today, but it's the wind that makes it worse. Makes it worse. Like, whew. But it's pretty, you can tell it's, compared to the one I did yesterday, you can tell the concrete is old concrete, solid. So if your son or daughter lives over there, goes to school, they can cruise across to get over there or worry about anything happening. So what the hell, right? Oh. Nice. Yep, that's good old 610 starts up off of 94. It's a big bridge, man. Woo. Of course, graffiti, K plus J. I think it's a little bit of Fridley in Brooklyn Park, but it's 610. Pedestrian bridge. Friendly Fridley. This is the north of where I live. Got University Avenue, and over here is 65. I've been to that, there's a pawn shop I've been to a few times, really kind of cool. So, yeah. Nice house over in here. So you can kind of tell, you can cruise. See, I was trying to find this. I was on that side and I couldn't find it. I was trying to find it. Just couldn't get the right street. So I had to go back over. I was looking all over the place, but I just could not find the direct spot to it. So when I saw the school on the highway, I'm like, ha. Big circle, man. This took a lot of work, man. It's built solid. Got the garbage down there. You've seen some of the other ones I've done. St. Paul, all just tatted up and trashed. So Yeah, you can bike across back and forth, go for a walk with your dog to the other side, whatever, what the hell, right? Yeah, I was on that side. I was trying to find. I guess I could have looked on the map, but I just kind of looked in the Google. And I'm like, I was trying to go driving over there trying to find it. But couldn't get it, but we got it. The last kind of 3 next to the new one in Bloomington by the Walmart we'll get. Yep. As you can see, so we'll go back all across. One hell of a pedestrian bridge. Some are real small and easy to get across. The first one I ever did over there by the Super 8. That glass right here. That was the first one I ever did. That was built because of the church. I got that idea last year, the Star Tribune, the guy that did the research on them. I'm gonna go do all the pedestrian bridges. Kicked off all this behavior, so. They're a quality of life issue. I'm gonna get some hot chocolate on the way home. Yummy, yummy, yummy. .610's rocking today, man. There's nice houses back over there. It's nice. Those are townhomes. Relatively new. So it looks like it can, like a biking trail for the local community. I do want to get some. There's a rail fanning I want to do in downtown Minneapolis by the scrap yards. Want to do that, get that if I get a chance. But I do want to go to the ice fishing get together, ice fishing show. I think it's next weekend. We'll take care of that. I did the motorcycle one. That's how it's kind of cool. Because I like going to those kind of things, the RV shows. It's fun to show people the camping shows. The RV shows are pretty fun. See some really cheap stuff. But yeah, I wonder how much this thing costs to build. Just like you guys have seen me do the rail, the light rail. Now they want to extend it to St. Cloud. It's going to cost twice as much. They would have just done it the first time. Kind of like if your wife has a baby, while she's on the table, you tie her tubes, right? It's just why she's there, you know? But anyways, this is one hell of a... This was kind of a bugger to find. Some are real easy. I've been doing. You can kind of walk your way to it. The ones off 100 were pretty easy to get to, but this one just had to figure out. On that side, I had to be in the right spot to go down the right street to get to it. Who knows? I probably passed it by. But when I saw the school building, I'm like, I know what that is. So I came down there. I'm like, there it is. Kind of had to cruise along. So. Yeah. That's a big one. We were out here for Thanksgiving. I'm like, I'm getting off early tomorrow. She's gonna be out of town for a little bit. I'm gonna see if I get those 3 out of the way. Guess what? You planned, and I did it this time. So we won some money, like I said, playing. Got some direct hits on roulette. It's kind of fun. Cleared. I made 200. I got a bet. All the teams on week 13. It's 11 grand for 10 bucks, but got lucky. The KC first one, they won by 2 points. So I got lucky there, but everybody else got to win. But I highly doubt it. But so yeah, Be nice to live 11 grand for a $10 bet. You can tell all the garbage down here. A bunch of trash. All kinds of bottles and liquor bottles and stuff. So we'll kind of walk back the car. So pretty much ends all of, I mean, there was a couple I might, you know, a couple of the ones I want to go across, what the hell's that place, Royalton. But I mean, all the main pedestrians I know, like I said, the one in Bloomington, want to get at, and we got coming up will be whatever I'm going to be doing on adventures. So we'll get all that stuff done. So yeah, kind of a cool little bridge, cool little area. Kids can walk back and forth to school. You can walk over here. You did a nice job on it. So always nice to have. You don't see too many when you're other states. But anyways. All right, guys. So this one's in the books. All right. Another pedestrian bridge. Like one of the final ones.